Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video of Travel Tech. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about the Involve Your Senses car fragrance for our cars. Well, I have ordered the musk fragrance from the company Involve Your Senses and they say it's a really excellent product. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the Involve Your Senses car perfume and check out if it is the best perfume which is available for our cars. Well, previously I had made a detailed video regarding the Ambipure Car Fresh car fragrance. Well, if you haven't checked that out yet, I'm going to leave a link in the description and of course right here on top of the video, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And if you want to check out the Involve Your Senses car fragrance for the cars, so let's just go ahead and watch this video and show you the detailed unboxing, review and how you can actually use the car fragrance in the car and how the fragrance is and how good it is. So let's just go ahead and let's get started. So guys, here is the package which I just received from Amazon of the Involve Your Senses One Musk car perfume. So let's just go ahead and open up the package and show you what exactly are the contents inside. So there you go guys, here is the box packaging of the Involve Your Senses One Musk car perfume, and as you can see right here it says car perfume on the left bottom and it says dry fresh. So this is the musk fragrance, and of course you get another 8 to 10 fragrances as well, so you can buy any of those. So on the left side there is a barcoding and on the back side there is some description that is a product of the Canopy Essence Group, and of course there is a pricing written below on the package and it says the manufacturing is about September 2021 and the pricing it says as 380 rupees. Well, you'll get it at a slightly lesser price of about 300 rupees. I got it for less than 300 because of some offers, so you can also get it for less than 300 rupees or around 300 rupees whenever you go ahead and buy it. So let's just go ahead and open up the box and bring out the perfume itself. Now there are some descriptions written here on top of the box itself. It says as it is 100% leak proof, it is completely made in India product, it has got 24/7 performance and an all-weather performance. Along with that you can keep it on the dashboard and cup holder, and of course also powered for SUV and sedans. So it says that all the SUVs and sedans which cover a larger surface area can also be covered using this perfume, and this fragrance spreads everywhere. So here is the box guys of the Involve Your Senses One Musk perfume. It's a small and a decent box, and of course there is a 3M sticker inside the box packaging as well. So let's just take it out. Now this 3M stickering is used to place the perfume anywhere. It might be on your dashboard or your cup holder, and of course you can also keep it below the seat, on the fabric below the seat, so in order to make it not visible for anyone else sitting in the car. But if you are preferring to keep it on the dashboard or on the cup holder of the car surface, you can also do that using the 3M sticker. So that's the 3M sticker size. I'll just keep it aside and let's just focus on the box right now. And as you can see it says One Musk, and the box packaging is really good, and on the rear of the box it's written September 2021 as the manufacturing date. So let's just see on the top lid portion of the box. So let's just open it and remove the silver wrapping cover and see what are the contents inside the box. And of course there's a small card here, a thank you card by the Involve Your Senses company. So it says, we hope you like our product, visit to know more about our fragrance. So it's a small thank you card which comes along with the package. So let's just go ahead and open up the silver packaging to expose the scented area and the scented contents inside the box. So here you go guys, I'm opening up the silver wrapper or the silver foil, and here as you can see here is the fragrance source. It looks more like a hay or like a cookie biscuit kind of a thing, and let's just go ahead and open up the silver wrapping up completely and see what's inside. And as you can see the lid is half openable, it has got a switch on top of it. So let's open up the entire silver covering and expose the inside portion of the perfume box. So guys, as you can see it's a chocolatey brownish color thing, and it kind of looks like a cookie biscuit. But the fragrance is pretty strong. I'm still getting the fragrance here on the car right now, and it contains the fragrance source. And let's just close back the lid on top of the box, and here is the switch which says involve. So here is the involve button, so if you just slide it around the switch, you get access to closing or opening of the lid. So this is a very convenient thing to do, because most of the air fresheners, they don't get actually a switch to close off the lid. You will have to manually do that, but in this case you get an independent switch in order to close the lid or open the lid. Well, of course the entire lid doesn't get closed up, like more than 50% does get closed up, about 25 to 30% remains open on the borders. So that is not a major issue, but in case if you want to close it down, you can only close about 60 to 70% of the lid, and around 20-30% will be open. And of course you can also completely open up using the switch and get access to the fragrance inside the car. So this is the musk fragrance, and you get a lot of other fragrances as well, so you can go ahead and check out the link which I have given in the description. If you want to buy some other fragrance, you can go ahead and buy that as well. Well, I particularly like this musk fragrance, so I have bought it from Amazon. So let's just keep it in the cup holder of the car, and it fits perfectly well in my Honda WRV. As you can see, previously I had kept the Ambipure car perfume here, so now it fits in perfectly well and there is no space for it to move around. So you guys can also keep it in the cup holder of your car. So guys, here is the Ambipure Car Fresh perfume, that is a relaxing lavender flavor, which I had shown in one of my previous videos, which all of you guys really liked a lot. So this is the perfume which I had been using till now, and it was really good and it lasted quite a long time. So this is the perfume which I'm going to be currently using. So I'll be comparing both of these perfumes. So since I have used the Ambipure one, now I'll be using the Involve Your Senses one. So once I use it for about 2 months, I'll be getting back to you guys with a detailed review of the comparison of both these perfumes, and based on that you can decide whichever one you want to buy for your car. So guys, till now you just saw the unboxing and the review of the Involve Your Senses car fragrance. Well, I'm really impressed with the product, and it's much in a similar line with the Ambipure Car Fresh perfume, which I had shown in one of my previous videos. So guys, if you are interested in buying this Involve Your Senses one musk fragrance for your car, or of course there are some other fragrances, some 10 to 12 other fragrances also which are available, you can check them out in detail on the Amazon website and order the one which is suitable for you or which is preferred by you. So guys, if you are interested in buying this product and using it for your car, I'm going to give you a link in the description of this video. So just go ahead and click down on the description. You will find a link to purchase this, and click on the link and it will open up into a Amazon website or the Amazon app, and you can go ahead and buy it according to your convenience. And the price of this perfume is about 300 rupees, so it won't cost much, and I think it will last about 2 months, 1.5 2 months ideally. So I'll be making a detailed video regarding this after using it for a month or two, and of course I'll be comparing both of the Ambipure Car Fresh and also this Involve Your Senses car perfume, and I'll be giving my opinion and my review regarding which is the best among these two. So if you don't want to miss that video, if you don't want to miss that comparison video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and of course don't go away without liking this video as well. And also along with that, I'll be bringing out many more interesting videos for our cars, on car accessories, and of course on our digipad as well. So do follow my channel and don't go away without subscribing. And also guys, make sure you comment below on this video and tell me how you found out this video to be, and if there are any concerns or if there are any questions by you guys, you can write down in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and until next video, see ya.